Get smart and follow these affiliate marketing tips. You've decided to improve the affiliate marketing of your website. That's great news. However, there is a ton of information that may confuse you on where to begin. No worries, here are some affiliate marketing tips. Listed are some tips that will help you get started and organized so that you can become an affiliate marketing expert. Securing reciprocal links is a modest but important step in any profitable affiliate marketing program. Website owners should always do what they can to get a link from their affiliates back to their own website. Such links are doubly desirable because they not only increase the utility of the affiliate program, they also improve the website's standing in search engine results rankings. Before entering an affiliate marketing arrangement, you should test drive your would-be affiliate's product if at all possible. Being familiar with your advertiser's products will enable you to answer any questions that might come from the visitors you send to your affiliate sites. Also, having first-hand experience will help you evaluate the true value that your affiliates are providing to your customers. You may have to invest a little bit of capital if you expect big results in affiliate marketing. Do not be afraid to spend some money on ad services that will allow you to better target traffic. This will ultimately increase your presence online and give you many more chances to earn big commissions. Use the affiliate tools provided by the companies you are working with. Most affiliate programs are constantly adding new content that you can use to promote the products. From ebooks, to tip lists, banners, and email templates to send out to your lists. These are generally proven tested methods, so take advantage of them. Your prospective visitors should be able to find your affiliate website easily. Come up with a catchy name people can easily memorize. The name should refer to the products your merchant offers, so your site only attracts prospective customers interested in your merchant's merchandise. Don't use foreign or hard-to-spell words because they will make it harder to find your site. You should feel better after watching those tips when it comes to affiliate marketing. It is a lot to think about, but at least you should have an idea of what to do and where to begin with the affiliate marketing of your site. In addition, you can always revisit this list if you need to. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.